Have you ever looked in the mirror and thought, why does my face look puffy even though I'm not fat? The truth is, it's not just your genetics or your weight. It's a combination of habits, water retention, and posture that's sabotaging your jawline. In this video, I'm going to show you 4 steps plus 2 bonus exercises that will transform your face and finally give you a sharp, defined jawline. Stick around until the end. 1. Lose overall body fat. Here's the deal. You can't spot reduce fat. Your face isn't special. It loses fat as your entire body loses fat. The good news? For most people, the face is actually one of the first areas to show results. So how do you do this? Calories in versus calories out. Burn more than you eat consistently. Start tracking your meals. Move more and watch the transformation happen. Imagine looking in the mirror in just a few weeks and seeing that stubborn puffiness begin to disappear. That's the magic of overall fat loss. 2. Beat the bloat. Here's what's happening. Salty, processed foods and low-quality carbs like candy, soda, and packaged snacks trap water in your body, making your cheeks look round and puffy. The fix? Drink more water, not less. Your body needs to feel safe enough to release the extra fluid it's holding. Cut the junk, reduce salt, and stick to high-quality carbs like rice, oats, or honey to fuel your body. Do this consistently and you'll notice your face slimming down, and your stomach will feel flatter too. The difference can show in days, not months. 3. Build your body. A bigger, broader upper body, strong shoulders, chest, and back actually makes your head look smaller in proportion, sharpening your jawline without touching your face at all. Think about it. A muscular upper body draws attention away from the roundness and naturally makes your face look leaner. So lift, push, and pull. Strength training doesn't just change your body, it changes your face. 4. Master your breathing. Stop mouth breathing. Start breathing through your nose and practice mewing, which is pressing your tongue fully against the roof of your mouth. Over time, this trains your jaw and facial muscles, tightens loose skin, and enhances the definition of your jawline. Remember, it's not a magic trick, it's small, consistent habits that make your face look sharper naturally. Bonus: face fat exercises. 1. Jaw clench, chin lift. Sit or stand upright. Slowly tilt your head back so you're looking at the ceiling. Push your lower jaw forward and hold for 5 to 10 seconds, feeling the stretch in your jaw and neck. Repeat 10 to 15 times. Why it works? Strengthens your jaw muscles, tightens the skin under the chin, and enhances jaw definition. 2. Upward chewing. Sit or stand upright. Tilt your head slightly upward as if you're looking at the ceiling. Now perform a chewing motion. Slow, controlled, and exaggerated, as if you're chewing tough food. Do this for 30 to 40 seconds. Rest and repeat 3 times. Why it works? This move activates your jawline and cheek muscles, improving definition and toning the lower face. It tightening the skin under your chin and giving your jawline a sharper, more structured look. Optional tip: do these exercises daily while maintaining proper posture and nose breathing. Combined with fat loss, hydration, and proper chewing, they accelerate visible results. If you actually stick to this, you'll start seeing a noticeable difference in your face. And not just your face, your confidence too. If you want more videos like this, hit that like and subscribe, and drop a comment if you're ready to start your jawline transformation today.